Hi, fourth grade. Welcome back to Art with Mrs. Bodden. Today we're going to do another animal. I have picked a cute little frog for us to draw today. So I'm going to change my camera. You do need a piece of white paper, a pencil, and an eraser, probably some crayons or markers, something to color with, and probably something to outline also with. So let me flip my camera and we will get started. So for this project, we're going to change it up a little bit. We are going to go the long way today. So have your paper going the long way. We're going to fold top to bottom. We're going to fold side to side. Then we're going to open it up. Now, super important that you can find your middle. So I want you to stick your finger in the middle. We are going to draw an oval. This is going to be the head of our frog. So if you draw it too big, you're not going to have enough room for his body. If you draw it too little, you're not going to have enough room to draw the eyes and the details. So we're going to do a couple of quick measurements. So we're going to start by doing 2 fingers down from your middle. So here's my middle. I'm going to come 2 fingers down and I'm going to make a mark. We're going to go, let's do 4 fingers. We're going to go 4 fingers up from our middle and we're going to make a mark. We're going to come 4 fingers over. We're going to make a mark. We're going to go 4 fingers over to the other side and make a mark. So this is going to be the shape of our oval. Now you're going to notice this guy is not as far away as this one from our middle, which means our oval is going to sit up higher, not directly around the middle. So I'm going to come and I'm going to go from my bottom over to my edge and around and come up, connect, come down and connect. I'm going to round up. Now, if you don't like the shape of your oval, what do? We change it. So I don't like that it's looking so smushed. So I'm going to come over. I'm going to come up to this, and I'm actually going to move this big part up a little bit. Then I'm going to come down, kind of meet where I like that. This looks more oval to me than this does. So I'm going to erase what is an oval. Now, does that look more like an oval than that? It does. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to bring this one up just a little bit more and then round it into my top. I'm going to also round this just a little bit more because that was looking awful pointy to me. And I don't want my frog to have a pointy head. So there's more of my oval shape. So now we're going to draw some upside down U's, 2 of them, 1 on each side up at the top. So find your middle fold because we're going to do 1 on both sides. We're going to start on the right and we're going to draw an upside down U that comes up and back down. And then we're going to go on the other side and we're going to come up and back down. And you want this to be about the same size because they are its eyes. If they're not exactly equal, that's fine. Not a big deal. We're going to draw, actually, you know what? We're going to erase those lines first. So we're going to erase those lines inside. That way we don't have to keep redrawing our eye after we draw it while we erase all the small pieces. So here is the outside of my eye. I'm going to come in and I'm going to draw another upside down U. I'm going to draw another upside down U. So I have 2 pairs of upside down U's now. I'm going to draw kind of a curvy line underneath the smaller set on both sides. Then I'm going to draw an oval in the middle. And that's a bad oval. Hang on. That's a little better. So these ovals are what you will color black to be the inside of the eyes, and what will look a little bit more realistic in just a few minutes. Okay, we're going to give our froggy a smile. Now mine's going to be more of our cartoon frog. Yours might be a little bit more realistic, so you may not want to make quite a smile. We'll give him a little bit of a chin. And then we're going to give him 2 nose holes so he can breathe through his nose. So there's our cute little froggy face. Hey, we're going to do one more U shape. This one's going to come down in the middle. So down underneath in the middle, give me a U shape. Kind of for his belly. We're going to start drawing his front legs first. So we're going to come down from his body. We're going to come out and down. And then we're going to start down here. And we're going to draw 3 toes to connect. So 1 toe, 2 toes, 3 toes. Now I overdrew on mine, so I can erase. If you don't like how your toes look, you want to change them up, you want to make them look like they're overlapping, erase them. I'm going to turn mine sideways a little bit. Now they look like they're overlapping. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Start by coming down, and we're going to draw a straight angled line out. We'll do the overlapping toes on this one too. So first toe, second toe, third toe. I think I need to bring the bottom of my leg back in. So there's his front feet. Now, frogs have big, super powerful back feet. So these ones, we're going to start here. We're going to bring them out and bring them in, and then we'll draw our feet right here. So I'm going to start here on his cheek. I'm going to come out like I'm drawing half a heart. I'm going to touch, and then I'm going to come out, and that's going to be the top of his foot. Bottom of his foot's going to come here. So I'm going to skip to the bottom foot really quick. We're going to come up, and we're going to draw a toe. I'm going to draw a second toe a little bit bigger. And then the third toe. Now we want to make it look like this leg is folded in half. So to do that, I start here and I draw just a curvy line or a slightly curved line. Let's go do the same to the other side. So we're going to start out with a heart shape. Or half a heart shape, I should say. Then we're going to come out for the top of his toe. Then we're going to come down here. We're going to start with the bottom of his toe. Or the bottom of his foot. So 1 toe, 2 toes. Nope, I don't like that. Hang on. Let me fix. There we go. Okay. 3 toes. The last thing we need to do is draw this same line. And now he's got bent legs. Now our frog is floating. So we need to put him someplace. So we're going to make some grass. I'm just going to make some crazy grass just here below my middle fold. And then I'm going to make crazy grass on the other side. There's my crazy grass. I want to give it a little bit of sunshine and clouds. I can draw a straight line. Draw my bumpy clouds. You want to draw sun peeking out, go for it. And there you have a frog. Now, I do have a couple other frogs that I will be doing later on, but this at least gives you one frog. So I will see you guys soon. Have a great rest of your day.